In our list, the number 5 product name is Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Techron is an additive technology that works to get the most out of your engine thanks to our patented fuel additive technology, which is trusted by motorists, mechanics, and auto manufacturers the world over. You can use Techron, and when you do, it will clean your engine, leading to better performance, lower emissions, and maximum fuel economy. Engines are designed to work at their best when they are clean, and modern engines are designed to work with finer tolerances and at higher temperatures. Techron works molecule by molecule to prevent deposit formation, and in the case of deposits left behind by low-quality gasoline, works to remove those deposits. Techron is proven to be effective at keeping both modern and older engines clean. The result is maximum power, lower emissions, and maximized fuel economy. There have been significant advances in engine design, including hybrid and direct injection spark ignition technologies. These engines are designed to work at their best when they are clean. Even microscopic amounts of engine deposits can adversely affect performance. Every time you fill your tank, you expect to drive a certain amount of miles on it. An engine that's caked with deposits makes your engine work harder, less efficiently every mile. So next time, use Techron Concentrate Plus to help ensure maximum fuel economy. Fact is, gasoline is a mixture of hydrocarbons, including ethanol and other impurities. As it travels through your car's fuel system, harmful carbon deposits can form on critical engine parts. Techron helps remove these deposits, restoring lost power and performance. Techron Concentrate Plus is a premium fuel system cleaner trusted and recommended by many automakers to help restore lost fuel economy and performance. Its patented polyether-amine P technology is unsurpassed as cleaning deposits from intake valves, fuel injectors, and combustion chambers. It is safe and effective to use in all ethanol fuels, including flex fuel like E85. In our list, the number 4 product name is Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is specially formulated to remove carbon deposits from engines with over 75,000 miles for restored engine performance and fuel economy. The more an engine is driven, the more carbon deposits can build up. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is designed for high mileage vehicles, cleaning fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports to restore performance and fuel economy and reduce emissions. High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner also prevents future carbon buildup on indirect fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports in combustion chamber. It is oxygen sensor safe and also safe for use in turbocharged and supercharged vehicles. It will not void OEM manufacturers. Directions: add entire bottle to nearly empty gasoline tank, then fill tank with up to 21 gallons of gasoline. For best results, do not refill tank until near empty. Use every 3,000 miles. The more an engine is driven, the more carbon deposits can build up on fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is specially formulated to remove carbon deposits from engines with more than 75,000 miles. Cleans fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports to restore performance, fuel economy, and prevents future carbon buildup, which reduces emissions. Oxygen sensor safe for use in turbocharged and supercharged vehicles. Recommended use every 3,000 miles and will not void OEM manufacturer's warranty. In our list, the number 3 product name is Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment. Lucas Oil develops additives that protect engine parts to keep vehicles on the road longer, as well as increase fuel efficiency and power. That commitment to problem solving and hard work has since made Lucas Oil the world's leading provider of automotive additives. With a diverse range of additives, engine oils, gear oils, lubricants, and appearance products for cars, trucks, ATVs, boats, motorcycles, power sports, and outdoor equipment, Lucas has your solution for nearly anything with an engine. Lucas Oil products are track tested and street approved. Our high performance engine gear oils are widely recognized as best in class. Trusted by mechanics, truck drivers, classic car owners, farmers, fleet managers, families alike to deliver more fuel efficiency, more power, and less heat and emissions. Our scientifically superior problem-solving solutions are the direct result of world-class joint engineering with leading teams in IndyCar, NASCAR, NHRA, Monster Jam, more. The same technology found in Lucas Oil Race products goes into all of our off-the-shelf products. A powerful blend of oils and additives designed to increase power and fuel mileage and lower exhaust emissions through a more complete combustion. Enjoy a clean and efficiently functioning fuel system for improved performance and save money with enhanced fuel economy. Protect your engine and fuel system components from rust and corrosion while passing smog tests with ease. Can be added to your tank every 3,000 miles to avoid carbon and gunk buildup and prevent problems in your fuel system. In our list, the number 2 product name is Gumout Fuel Stabilizer Injector Cleaner. Revitalize your engine. Gumout Multi-System Tune-Up is your ultimate fuel treatment gasoline solution, effortlessly cleaning GDI injectors, carburetors, and more for peak performance and fuel economy. Ultimate Engine Protection, our advanced carburetor cleaner fuel additive, prevents future carbon buildup, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. Perfect for gas, diesel, or ethanol engines, from cars to lawn mowers. Comprehensive care as a powerful fuel tank cleaner. Gumout cleans and conditions fuel systems, fighting ethanol and water corrosion while stabilizing fuel to reduce emissions and maximize engine life. Versatile application, add this gas treatment for car engines directly to the gas tank, crankcase, or via induction. Whether you're cleaning a carburetor or stabilizing gas, Gumout Multi-System Tune-Up has you covered. Add to fuel for optimal results. Add entire can to the tank. Fill the tank with fuel and run to near empty before refueling. 1 pint treats 18 to 21 gallons of all types of gas or diesel fuels. Add to oil, add 1 ounce per quart of oil. Immediately start engine and run for 5 to 10 minutes to mix completely. Vacuum intake cleaner may be used with engine decarbonizing equipment through the vacuum system to clean intake manifold, valves, and combustion chamber. Follow recommended mechanical procedures for the equipment. Small 4-cycle engines, add to gasoline using 1/4 to 1 ounce per gallon of fuel. Small 2-cycle engines, add to gasoline using 1/4 to 1 ounce per gallon of fuel. Add 2-cycle oil as recommended by engine manufacturer. In our list, the number 1 product name is RunRight Sledgehammer Fuel Enhancer System Cleaner. Enhanced Engine Cleaning RunRight Sledgehammer Ultra Treatment is a premium fuel system cleaner specifically designed to remove stubborn carbon deposits, sludge, and gum from gasoline and diesel engines. Its concentrated formula targets injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, ensuring a thorough cleaning process that restores your vehicle's performance and efficiency. Optimize fuel efficiency by dissolving harmful deposits within the fuel system. RunRight Sledgehammer ensures smoother fuel injection and combustion processes. This leads to improved fuel economy, allowing your car to run longer on a single tank of gas or diesel, reducing the need for frequent refuels and saving you money at the pump. Boosted performance emissions control experience, enhanced engine performance with improved acceleration and power output. RunRight Sledgehammer not only cleans but also protects your engine's vital components, reducing exhaust emissions and helping your vehicle meet emission standards, contributing to a cleaner environment. Versatile safe for all engine types suitable for high mileage cars, trucks, and CUVs. RunRight Sledgehammer is safe for use in all types of engines, including gasoline, diesel, and turbocharged systems. Its gentle yet effective cleaning agents ensure maximum compatibility without risking damage to fuel system components. Professional grade maintenance developed by experts at RunRight. A leader in automotive care products, this fuel system treatment embodies professional grade maintenance for your vehicle. Whether you're a mechanic or a car enthusiast, using RunRight Sledgehammer as part of your regular maintenance schedule helps prolong your vehicle's lifespan and maintain peak performance. Disclaimer, please note that packaging may vary for the product you receive. It may not include the traditional box. Instead, it will be packaged in a bag. Each item is carefully packed to ensure it reaches you in optimal condition.